What's up, my friends? Quiz Dino has returned with an epic challenge. It's time to test your observation skills with 100 puzzles across easy, medium, and hard levels. Today is the number and letter edition. You've got 10 seconds to give the right answer and earn a point. Are you ready for the challenge? But first, we're shouting out those who left comments on our last video as a special giveaway. Please participate actively in the videos if you want Dino to call your name next time. If you're ready, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Kick things off with an easy level. Can you figure out the odd one? Awesome! It's hiding right here. Great start! Which letter is not like the others? Cool! It's actually is here. Where's the unique letter hiding? We only have the letter M on this board. Which emoji is correct? A or B? It's A with the delicious yellow cheese. Let's continue with this one. Wow, here it is. Can you spot the odd one out among the letters? That's right, it's the letter P standing out from the crowd. Can you figure out the numbers that are hidden in this picture? Six, 7, 8 is the number you're searching for. Can you find the letter that doesn't belong? Let's check the answer. Find the odd number. Exactly, it's number 7 right here. Among these letters, can you identify the one that doesn't match? Did you get it? That's letter J. Determine the number that's not shown. There are all the numbers from 1 to 10 except 9. Show me what you got. Found it. Good job! Here it is! Emoji challenge! Guess the word! Yes, this word is tennis. By the way, can you spot the odd emoji? You're awesome! Here's the odd one. Find the odd number. The different number is 9. We have only number 5 among all the letters. Spot the color that's not like the others. Nice! C is different. What's the correct pumpkin emoji? It's B. You did great! On to the next question. So easy! The answer is definitely here. Can you tell me where the unique number is? "13" is the odd number in this board. Identify the letter that deviates from the group. Pay attention, here is the odd letter out. Discover the character by solving the name scramble. Of course, it's Sonic. Can you spot the odd group? Spot on! B is the correct answer. Which letter stands out as different from the rest? The letter C was replaced by the letter K, creating the word Nike. Can you locate the odd letter? Yes, we have the odd Y among all the X. Spot these odd among the mix of numbers. Amazing! Here's what you found. Guess the correct shape of this letter. It's a letter K with a dinosaur font. Which number is not like the others? Here it is, located in the third column. I think you can answer this question right away. The odd one is right here. Memory test time. Pay attention to the placement of every letter. Let Dino know where the letter U is. Got it! It's hidden in number 2. Can you see which numbers are hidden? The result is here. Can't go wrong. An extremely adorable puppy emoji. But do you recognize which is the real emoji? Oh wow, the real emoji is on the right. Try to find the odd emoji out. Here it is. You did great. Find the different number from the rest. It's right here. Keep going. Yeah, this one is different from the rest. Guess the country using just the first 3 characters. That is France, with the symbol of the magnificent Eiffel Tower. If you could only choose one dish for breakfast, would you choose French fries or French toast? Consider your answer carefully and let us know in the comments. Locate the emoji that stands out, can you? Zoom in. Congrats on finishing the easy level. Now it's time for the medium level. Find the hidden character in this ruined city scene. It's Batman! So cool! Let's continue with this question. Find the odd Batman in 10 seconds. Fantastic! Here's the one you need. Find the odd logo out. Fire! Here it is. There is one distinct letter here. Do you recognize it? Here is the unusual letter. Spot the odd letter H in this image. Here it is. You are so sharp-eyed. Now find the unusual number in these columns. Ting ting! Here's this one. Nice! It's different from the others. Which letter is this detailed? It's easy to see that this is the letter E. Pay attention and find the letter that doesn't fit in. Well done! This is the odd letter. Which letter breaks the pattern in this set? Brilliant! Here it is. Solve the emoji riddle to find the number. $80. Stay focused and find something different. Yes, we have a different number 33 at the end of the first row. Do you recognize the odd one? Don't be confused, this is the letter Q. Even though you've seen it many times, will you correctly guess the missing color in this Google logo? Google's logo has 4 colors: red, yellow, green, and blue, so D is right. Find the Google logo on this pattern. There it is. Well done. Locate the logo that stands out. Here's the odd one. Can you see the different one? The odd letter O is hiding right here. Help Dino find the letter that appears only once. The letter L is unique, right? What's your answer? It's book, not look. Cool, the odd one is 2924. Do you see the math behind these lines? Ta-da! That's the math 1 plus 1. Find the difference in this board. Here, it's different from the others. How about this one? It's hiding right here. Identify the word from the emoji clues. This is chess. Keep going with this question. Hooray, it's here! What is the odd letter in this board? Fire! This one is different. Can you quickly find the word sport in this alphabet? Here it is, in row number 4. Guess the sport without any vowels. It's basketball, a sport loved by many people. Can you see the different one? One more point for you, and that's the odd one. Where is the odd located? You nailed it! Guess the hidden word. The word that was hidden was wow. What is the distinct letter on this board? Your skill is so amazing. Can you spot the letter V among these numbers? Found it! Take a close look and solve the question. Which glass has more water? In this case, the glasses with the lightest object inside them will have more water than the 4 glasses. So the push pin in glass C is the correct one. Spot the different emoji among these. There is only one yellow push pin here. Point out the 3 different letters in these 3 boards. Here, here, and here. Can you read this flipped sentence? This is a common idiom, like father, like son. What word do these emojis represent? It is definitely snowman. Can you pick the number that is different? Wow, it's in the first row. Memory exercise. Try to remember the positions of every letter. Have you memorized them yet? Then let Dino know where the letter B is. Number 4 is the right choice. Did you figure it out? Upgrading to the hard level. Find 2 similar emojis in these cards. Here and here. Did you answer correctly? Can you see the different one? What good eyes! Here it is. Where is the odd letter located? This letter Y doesn't have a mouth or tail like the other letters. Next challenge. What figure should replace the question mark? Did you notice the hidden rules in these strange shapes? They're numbers with mirrored reflections on the left side, so the correct answer is 88. Spot the different letter. Indeed, we have the odd letter S right here. Did you notice a one-of-a-kind letter? Take a closer look. The odd letter is E. Here it is. Can you recognize the color that is different from the rest? Number 6 is the different color than the other colors. Which emoji is different from the rest? Here are the odd emoji we can see. What is the next number? 21, 24, 26, or 29? The rules of this number sequence are very simple. Adding the previous number with the numbers 3, 4, 5 in order will get the next number. So the correct answer is 20 plus 6 equals 26. Do you see the letter N in this picture? The letter N you're looking for is here. Take your time on this one. Great! It's not similar to the others. In these color columns, can you find the odd number in 10 seconds? Here is the different one. Change the position of one stick to make the equation correct. The correct answer is like this. Guess the word by emoji. It's deer. Spot 3 differences between 2 pictures. Bravo! Here they are! Spot the special emoji that's just a bit different. There it is! Can you identify the odd number here? And that's it! You found the different one! Can you point out the mistake? Aha! This is not a number! Can you tell me which number is unique? Brilliant! Number 6 is the odd one. The first word you see will be your message for this month. What word did you see first? Comment below to let Dino know. That's all for today's video. Let Dino know your score by leaving a comment. If you had a great time, don't forget to subscribe for more fun games like this. And now, select the next challenge, and we'll see you next time.